If you're looking to get a new roof installed on your home or business, you want to make sure that it's done right. You don't want your roof to leak, and you don't want the quality of the materials to be subpar. Denny's Roofing LLC is experienced at building secure, great-looking residential and commercial roofs. We are committed to building quality roofs that will last for years. It's in our best interests as well as yours. We guarantee a 5-star customer service experience, because we get 93% of our business through referrals. We have earned a reputation for delivering exceptional customer service, each and every time. We offer the best in expert roofing, customer-focused service, and expert insurance claim assistance. We'll tell you what needs to be done, how long it will take, and the best materials for your budget. Our team is made up of expert professionals who are dedicated to making sure that your roof is done right, and done fast. So, if you need a new roof for your home or business, don't hesitate, call us at 970-239-8236. You can also visit our website at www.dennysroofingllc.com/Berthoud-roofing-company. If you need a high-quality roofing company in Berthoud, Colorado, look no further than Denny's Roofing LLC.